Hello, I'm Jody Wolf, and you're watching Expoz, December 28, 2018, 2 a.m. Birmingham. And topic is, again, the ghost cities in China. There's a change. Let me read you what I have. In 2011, 10 new cities were built every year in China. This sounds amazing. New cities? Wow. Again, in 2011, China surpassed the United States as the world's leading manufacturer. That's why they're building. And that hadn't changed yet. So, with that, let me see where I was. In 2011, there was 56 million. Well, I'll get to that in a moment. But today, 96 million empty apartments. That's in December in 2018. 96 million apartments vacant in these new cities. But things are about to change. China now decides it needs to begin moving its citizens into new apartments or state housing as China is communist. So an interview with one of the shop owners, Toy, said he has had 0 customers and it's 2 p.m. He said that he may have very few people throughout the week, and a lot of those are just looking. And but the city still has only 1% of the shops filled. And this is with whether it be something like Bath and Body Works or toy shops or even a Home Depot type place. I'm not sure they have those, and the reason is they don't have money, and most of them don't own their homes. Only the rich owns their homes. But there's for example, there's gondola rides, little boat rides through these giant malls. There's waterways. Look like they're about 10 feet wide and got this 20-foot long boat, and it takes 20 minutes to go through. Well, the captain of the boat rides along. He has no customers. And so, and I made a blog about this not too long ago, about all these cities that they're building around the world, ghost cities, but yet no one's in them, and they begin to fall apart because they're not maintained. If you don't turn on the heat and the air in these buildings, they'll start falling apart, and I'll get there in a moment. But it creates where they have to continue and do major repairs on the structure. And it's just like Detroit. When the automakers left Detroit, the buildings, these quarter-mile long buildings, assembly plants, just simply fell apart. It would cost more to restore one than it would to build a new one. And housing in Detroit, they bulldoze them every day. Bulldoze them. And I mean, you're talking about some really nice looking homes that are falling apart, but yet they can be restored. But China is different from us, so I don't think they allow people to do that. But back in 2011, there were 64 million empty apartments, and today there's 96 million empty apartments. But as I said, that's about to change and better maintained, even if they put people in free. It would save them money. And the only people are buying are the rich, and they're buying for investments only. So China's ghost cities, if you want to go see that, date April 11, 2011, and the update is December 2018. and ghost cities, not only in China, but in almost every country around this planet. And even in our country right here, I know of a couple of places where there's these 14-story apartment buildings where no one lives. Yeah. And I feel like, and I did at that time, that these are the apartments that they're going to put people in when this country goes Agenda 21. They want to move people into the inner cities. They want to put people where they want to put them so they can have control over them. But there's one more thing I'll throw in here. It's just a quickie. The 5G cell phone network that's coming up, it is deadly. It's just like programming a person to do their bid when they want you to do it, as in kill someone, as in get you aroused. If you're with a person and they want to take a married man or somebody and put him with this person and break his vows, they can accomplish that with 5G. It's a brainwasher and it's deadly. In fact, Israel said they will not have it in their country. They said it's deadly. Just thought I'd throw that in, just right off the wall. Jody Wolf Expoz.